This is a dinosaur. More specifically, it's a Tyrannosaurus rex, the largest known flesh eating animal ever to walk the earth. This is also a dinosaur. So are these, and these, and this one. But did you know that not everything we often think of as a dinosaur is really a dinosaur? Wait, so does that mean that when I get those packets of plastic dinosaur toys from Dollar Tree that clearly says dinosaur on the label, some of those aren't all dinosaurs? Yes, that is correct. Some of these animals are not dinosaurs. See, when paleontologists, that's a fancy word for scientists who study fossils, say the word dinosaur, they have a particular group of animals in mind. And that group is defined by a special combination of characteristics that dinosaurs tend to share, but other animals do not. What are these characteristics? Good question. Well, there's the perforated acetabulum, a fully developed ascending process of the astragalus,
Perforated
prominent delta
acetabulum,
pectoral
asymmetrical
fully
fully
developed
developed
ascending
ascending
process
process
of the astragalus. You know what? Let's keep things simple. All true dinosaurs held their legs directly underneath their bodies. Their legs don't sprawl out to the sides when they're walking or running, like we see in modern reptiles. Dinosaurs can adopt this posture because of two special features. One of them is an open hip socket called a perforated acetabulum, for those of you into scientific lingo. The other is a special hinged ankle joint that helps restrict the movement of the lower leg to an upright posture. With these three main features, we can distinguish the true dinosaurs from the false dinosaurs: a straight down leg posture, an open hip socket, and a hinged ankle joint. A lot of people have the idea that modern reptiles, like crocodiles and lizards, are modern day dinosaurs. But as we just discussed, true dinosaurs carry their legs directly underneath their bodies due to their special hip and ankle structures. Since modern reptiles lack all three of these features, they cannot be considered dinosaurs, despite their somewhat dinosaur like appearance. Here we have a flying dinosaur called a pterosaur and a swimming dinosaur called a plesiosaur. Or do we? Let's find out. As it happens, the plesiosaur has none of the features we use to distinguish dinosaurs from other animals. Instead, paleontologists call plesiosaurs a type of marine reptile. The pterosaur is a bit closer, as it does have a hinged ankle joint and a straight down leg posture, just like dinosaurs do. But unlike true dinosaurs, it's missing an open hip socket. Therefore, pterosaurs are not true dinosaurs, but flying reptiles. This sail-backed creature is called Dimetrodon, and as you've probably already guessed, it is also not a dinosaur. While it did have an upright posture more so than modern reptiles, it did not have the open hip socket that true dinosaurs do. So, what kind of reptile is Dimetrodon? Actually, that was a trick question, because Dimetrodon was not a reptile at all. Scientific research has shown that Dimetrodon actually has more in common with us than it does any reptile. It belonged to a unique group of extinct animals called non mammalian synapsids, or almost mammals. But wait, what's that up in the sky? It's a bird! It's a plane! No, actually, it really is just a bird. Why are we talking about birds? I thought we were here to talk about what animals are and aren't dinosaurs. But if we peel back the skin and feathers, we see that birds have a straight down leg posture, just like a dinosaur does. They've also got a hinged ankle joint, like a dinosaur. And is that an open hip socket I see? Yes, yes, it is. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have found a living dinosaur. If birds are dinosaurs, then that means dinosaurs didn't go extinct. Instead, there are more than 10,000 species of them all over the world right now. Birds are the dinosaurs that still live among us today. And I think that's pretty cool.